What's up, discount divas and dudes? Back with another video. In today's video, y'all, I got some deals I did at Dollar General and some other stores, but I'm not gonna show y'all everything from the other stores. That's why you gotta join the membership, which you get a free trial and you will get exclusives into deals that I don't show y'all on the videos. That's why I be telling y'all to sign up, because I be shopping all the time, every day, and I be having exclusive deals. Some of them I might show, some of them I might not. But before we get into this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out, so you won't miss out. To all my new subscribers, hey, hello, how y'all doing? And to all my returning subscribers, thank y'all for being loyal and returning and watching. And for those who are new to the channel, I was just telling my current subscribers that YouTube is giving out free trial memberships for creators channels, so you can get exclusive content when you sign up for the free trial. And if you sign up for my free trial, basically you can get in touch with me if you have any questions about couponing, and I will be showing you exclusive deals from stores that I don't show y'all in the videos. But enough of me yapping. Let's get into these first set of deals. Okay, y'all, we have two different deals, two different stores. The first store will be Smith's, also known as Kroger's. They have these Downies reduced, and it's the 150 loads to $9.07. And we have a $3 coupon on that. So this big old thing will be $6.07. And it's up to 150 medium loads. And it's the free and gentle. Then on the 45 load Game Plus, and that's if you can find any, because I had to look high on the top shelf to get this. It was $9.99. We have a $4 coupon coming off, making it $5.99. And these were originally $11.99, but they supposed to be on sale for $9.99. And like I said, we got that $4 coupon coming off. Now, I know a lot of y'all don't have Smiths or Kroger's in your area. They do have sister stores, so maybe you might have one of those. I know one is called Ralph's or something. I'm gonna have to find out the name of the sister stores just in case y'all have one in y'all area and don't even know it, because deals at Kroger's and Smith's be all of that and a bag of chips. Next store we have here is Target. Now, I know a lot of y'all have Target in y'all area, and they always keep clearing stuff, something on sale. They even have coupons in their online app. And these Game Plus, the 45 loads, are $9.99 as well. But to make it even better, we get a $5 off coupon, y'all. Making these only, what, $4.99. And I have multiple accounts, that's why I have two. But with the coupon, you only can get one per account. And even the $5 coupon works on these as well, but they are a little higher, so I prefer to get the 45 load and save more money than wasting it on one of these, when you can get one of these at the Dollar General for $10 and something, because they are 13, and we have $3 off at the Dollar General. But Target, don't miss out on these super deals. And I have more deals from Target, as you can see, but we're not going to get into that. We are going to be focused on the Dollar General. So let's get into those Dollar General deals. Okay, y'all, here is my First transaction at Dollar General. Basically, I was doing the spend 30, get your $10 coupon back, and here is the transaction I did. Starting off with the bounty, it is $7.95. We have $1 off, making it $6.95. This time I got the 12 equals 48 Charmin. It was $9.95. We have $1 off, making it $8.95. Got a small space. It was $3.50. We have $2.50 coming off, making it $1. Then on the Febreze trash starter kit, and I'm using one right now, y'all. These are lovely. It keeps the smell of your garbage down. You just place it under your lid. It don't matter if you have an automatic lid, the lid you gotta take off, whatever. These are tea. But they are $6. We have $3 coming off, making it $3. Then on the Mr. Clean, it is 6. We have 2 coming off, making it 4. And then on the Dime Platinum, it is $4.95. We have $2 coming off, making it $2.95. So after coupons come off, the total will be $26.84 before taxes. And you will get your $10 coupon back. And once you get that back, the final total for all of these items will be $16.84, making each item $2.80. So I don't think it was bad, especially that I didn't have a 5 off 25 or nothing. Just was working with the coupons that I was given. $2.80 for each item, y'all. Not bad at all. Now, I'm going to show y'all, because I had two $10 off coupons. I'm going to show y'all what I got with those two $10 off coupons and another transaction I did. So let's get into the $10 off transaction. Okay, y'all, here are the two transactions that I did with my 10 off for $30 coupon that I got back for making those $30 purchases. One I did Sunday, and then one I did today. So the dryer sheets were $3.35, no coupon, and it's the 60 count. Then I got the Game Plus. It was $13.45 with $3 off, making it $10.45. And then the Arm and Hammer, and it's the 67 loads. It was $5.35. We have not one but two coupons, two $2 coupons coming off of this, but for some reason they didn't give me the full $2 coupon on this. They only gave me $2 and $1.41 off on this, making it $1.94. So once the coupons came off the two items and the 10, the total was $5.74 before tax. So $5.74 before tax. Here is my receipt. See, they took the $1.41 off and the $2 for the Arm & Hammer, the $3 for the Gain, and there's my $10. And basically, $6.34 is what I really paid with taxes. But y'all know I don't discuss taxes because what everybody's tax is different. You might pay lesser than that, than what I paid with tax or whatever. So let's get on to the next transaction. I just we haven't had any good coupons on these big things of Tide, and I really need some. So I got this one. It was $19.95. We have a $4 digital coming off, making it $15.95. Then that $10 coupon came off, and the total was $5.95 prior to tax. And here is my receipt on that. You see the $19.95 for the Tide, $4 digital coupon, then that $10 P&G, and with tax I paid $6.45. But still ain't bad for a $20 bottle of Tide. $6.45, y'all. So get with the program, spend that 30 and get your 10 back, and you can get something even better. Now let me show y'all one more transaction, because they got a whole lot of deals going on right now at Dollar General. They got where if on the Palmolive Colgate items, including the Fabuloso and stuff, if you spend 15, you get 5 off of that. And they got another deal going on, and I'm about to show y'all that deal they got going on. Okay, y'all. Here is another deal I did. Like I said, Dollar General got some deals going on. Like on the Glade products, it is spend 15, say 5, no coupons. I need it. Just make sure whenever you are picking up a Glade item that little thing pops up at the bottom saying Glade products, spend 15, save 5, or whatever. But I had got 3 of the Glade room fresheners. They were $3 each, so that's $9. And then I got one of the Glade refills for $6. So 6 plus 9 is $15. 5 came off, making all of these items $10, are $2.50 each. And that's not bad, especially on those refills, because we rarely get good coupons for those. So I'll be trying to snatch those up as much as I can. Then on the Fabuloso spray, it was $4. We have $1 coming off, making it $3. And it's weird because it wasn't showing up. It's not showing up in the app, but it's spend 15, save 5 on Colgate Palmolive items. So if you want to get 3 of the big Fabulosos, that'll be $15. 5 is gonna come off, making it 10, and then another dollar is gonna come off from the coupon, making it $9 for 3 Fabulosos. And no wonder the shelves was cleared in the store with the Fabuloso. I'm like, what's going on? I know we got $1 off, but what else? And that Colgate Palmolive deal ends 8/1. So in a couple of days it's over with for that. And I'm mad because I just found out about it today when I was in the store scanning stuff. Then another deal they have is teachers save 30% off of select stationery, and that is now until September 7th of 26. So teachers, you have enough of time to save 30% on select stationery items at Dollar General. And y'all, that is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. So like, share, comment, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and hype me up if you possibly can. It really helps out my channel, and I really appreciate y'all when y'all do those type of things, because if I can put out the content, run to these stores in 108 and 10-degree weather to get these deals together for y'all, at least y'all can do is hype me, like me, subscribe, comment, share, all of that good stuff. And I will be posting another video on these Target finds, but that is subscription only video. So you can get a free trial to check out some content that I will be putting out for the people with subscriptions. Y'all, it is a free trial. Sign up, try it out, cancel it, whatever the case may be. It helps my channel out, and I really need help, y'all. I'm struggling over here. But I will see y'all in the next video. I am out, y'all. Peace.